I'm playing Knockout Part 2. This is Part 2. Part 2 to, guys. Ito Part 2. Part 2 to, guys. So, today in this video, laro tayo ng Knockout, yung Part 2. So, wait. I'm just going to the bedroom. Wait, what? Tadi ano? That was this. Let's play this. Oh yeah, I forgot. I said that already. But let's play Knockout. This is part 2. Part 2. Alex ko. Wait. Oh, I just went to report what has happened to my screen. There's teka lang. I'm in my sister's double deck. Oh no, it's just flipped my screen. Oh nah. Wait, two penguin. Stud queen. What the? Stud queen. Oh, guys, I don't know what this is. Stud queen. Oh my gulay. Guys, dapat mag-win tayo dito. Now I'm going straight for the photo. Oh wait. For this middle. Middle pala, guys. Ooh. No! I almost... Ooh. Hey, I got it. I easy got it. Easy peasy. Be winner. Yes! Boom! Oh yeah. Bro, why is it so slow? Panggana! Ikaw mapatay, Greenies! Goodbye, Greenies. You're dead, Greenies. Boom! Baksak! Ay, hindi na baksak! Ito naman. She is clearly... Who is this guy? The white... the king. Whoa, I just knocked out! Paano ko ni-knock out? Parang nabuhay pa na! Dito ko mag-knock out. Doon hindi na babalik. Teka, patay ako dyan. Sayang na sasabihin ko, patay ako dyan! Ay! Oy, mutikan pa! Mutikan pa yun! Look! What? I'll kill you, bro! Oh no! Don't die! Yes! Yeah, you die, bro! Say goodbye to your mama! You're dead! How? I killed him! Oy! Wah! Ito mas close sa akin, so get out of my way, buddy. Get out of my way. Boom! Ay! Ay! Ano nangyayari? Ayaw magulag. Full power. No, I put some. Meron ako naglagay ng marami. Ay! Ah! Nahulog siya. Okay lang, meron ako ng... Ah! Pat AFK kayo lahat. Ay, pat AFK ako din. Tudib! Siya ba? Guys, hindi ko alam. Wait a minute. Who is that? I just hear some footsteps. Teka. Tumare Maria, Master Levan. Oh no, Remayer. Stone lang.